Hey everybody, this is Jim, and I want to welcome you to ALEC 202. I currently am an instructor in the ALEC department on East Campus and also finishing my PhD in leadership studies. So I was born in Seattle, raised in Chicago, and spent most of my adult life in downtown Portland and northeast Iowa. So a fun fact about me, I started and owned a coffee and ice cream shop for a while and sold it when I came to UNL. So I really enjoy good coffee, good ice cream. So I enjoy learning together about leadership and teaching on leadership, so I look forward to our journey together in this class. Everything you need to get started, the syllabus, the modules, the assignments are all explained on Canvas. So take a look, and I will post some short videos to also explain things. So again, I'm glad you're in the class. I'm looking forward to it. And feel free to text me or email me any questions. Otherwise, we'll see you online.